This QR code can save your day. Hello and welcome to the REPXPERT Training Center. Today I'm not talking about our products, but the Schaeffler OneCode. The Schaeffler OneCode has its name for a reason, because we included all product information and services to make your life a little easier. Everything you need to do is scan the QR code with the REPXPERT app. Alternatively, you can also use the camera app of your smartphone. After scanning, we will check and confirm the authenticity of your product. You get quick access to all product information, dimensions, set components, manufacturer references, but also the vehicle compatibility list to check if the correct spare part has been ordered. No more missing out on important mounting notes from Schaeffler. We always recommend to check if any mounting instructions are available. In the attached documents, we give quick information on special product designs and common mounting errors. For registered garages with a free REPXPERT account, we have even more. Many of you are familiar with these vouchers. The popular bonus points have now gone digital. Collecting points has never been so easy. Repair and maintenance information are now available even quicker. Torque values, labor times, required tools and especially manufacturer-compliant installation instructions are at your fingertips when you need them. The Schaeffler OneCode, created by experts for experts. See you. Take care.